What if I told you that in 2026, some of the most expensive luxury cars on the market are also some of the worst financial decisions you can make? Not because they look bad, not because they're slow, but because once the excitement fades, the ownership reality hits hard. Massive depreciation, overcomplicated tech, costly maintenance, and in some cases, a driving experience that simply doesn't justify the price tag. Today, we're breaking down why certain luxury cars in 2026 are not worth the money and why smart buyers are starting to look elsewhere. Luxury in 2026 is louder than ever. Giant curved displays stretch across dashboards. Ambient lighting glows in dozens of colors. AI assistants respond to voice commands. Seats massage. Doors soft close. And suspension scan the road ahead. On the surface, it feels like the future has arrived. But here's the problem. Innovation doesn't always equal value. One of the biggest issues affecting high-end luxury cars right now is rapid depreciation. The moment you drive a $90,000 or $120,000 vehicle off the lot, it can lose thousands of dollars instantly. Within 2 to 3 years, some models drop in value at a rate that far outpaces their competitors. Why? Because luxury brands refresh designs quickly, release facelifts faster than ever, and push new technology annually. What felt cutting-edge today can feel outdated surprisingly fast. Buyers who finance these vehicles often find themselves upside down on loans long before they expect. Then there's the complexity problem. Modern luxury cars are filled with advanced driver assistance systems, semi-autonomous features, multi-layer infotainment software, digital climate controls, gesture commands, and touch-sensitive panels. It sounds impressive, but real-world usage tells a different story. Owners are reporting laggy screens, random system reboots, glitchy connectivity, and features that stop functioning after software updates. When basic functions like adjusting airflow or seat heating require navigating multiple menus, convenience turns into distraction. Maintenance costs are another reality many buyers underestimate. Luxury vehicles in 2026 are more technologically advanced than ever, but that sophistication comes at a price. Air suspensions, turbocharged engines, hybrid systems, adaptive steering, and complex electronics are expensive to repair once warranties expire. Even routine service can cost significantly more than non-luxury competitors. Brake jobs, tire replacements for large performance wheels, and sensor recalibrations quickly add up. The purchase price is only the beginning. Ownership costs are where the true expense shows up. Another overlooked issue is overpromised performance. Some luxury cars advertise impressive horsepower numbers and 0 to 60 times, but the driving experience doesn't always feel engaging. Increased vehicle weight due to safety systems, battery packs and mild hybrids, and sound insulation dulls responsiveness. Steering can feel artificial. Acceleration can feel filtered. In pursuit of refinement, some manufacturers have removed the emotional connection that once defined premium driving. Buyers expecting excitement sometimes end up with something that feels isolated rather than inspiring. Interior quality, surprisingly, has also become inconsistent in certain segments. While top trims showcase premium leather and real wood, lower trims at high price points may substitute synthetic materials in visible areas. Piano black surfaces scratch easily. Touch-sensitive buttons lose tactile feedback. Over time, squeaks and rattles can develop in cabins that once felt vault-solid. At six-figure prices, buyers expect perfection, not compromises. Fuel efficiency is another factor that complicates the value equation. Many luxury sedans and SUVs now use smaller turbocharged engines paired with hybrid systems to improve efficiency ratings. On paper, the numbers look strong. In reality, heavy curb weights and performance tuning can limit real-world gains. Premium fuel requirements further increase operating costs. For daily drivers covering significant mileage, these expenses quietly accumulate. Insurance premiums for high-end luxury vehicles are also higher than many anticipate. Advanced headlights, radar sensors embedded in bumpers, and complex body panels increase repair costs after even minor accidents. What might have been a simple bumper repair a decade ago can now require recalibrating multiple safety systems. Insurance companies account for that risk, and owners feel it monthly. Technology aging is another hidden factor. In 2026, digital interfaces evolve rapidly. A luxury car's infotainment system may feel futuristic today, but within a few years, smartphone integration standards, connectivity speeds, and software ecosystems change. Unlike phones or tablets, vehicle systems can't easily be upgraded. That large curved display may become a reminder of outdated software rather than a symbol of innovation. Brand perception also plays a role. Some luxury manufacturers rely heavily on badge prestige to justify pricing. While brand heritage matters, it shouldn't replace tangible value. There are now mainstream and near-luxury brands offering similar safety features, performance levels, and comfort at significantly lower prices. When a vehicle costs tens of thousands more primarily for a logo and marginal refinement, buyers need to ask whether that premium truly makes sense. Electric luxury vehicles add another layer of complexity. While electric technology has improved dramatically, high-end electric models can suffer from steep depreciation, especially as battery advancements happen quickly. A newer model with extended range or faster charging can make previous versions feel obsolete faster than traditional vehicles. Battery replacement costs, long-term degradation concerns, and charging infrastructure limitations in certain areas also affect ownership satisfaction. None of this means all luxury cars in 2026 are bad. In fact, some are exceptional. But the gap between price and real-world value has widened in certain segments. Smart buyers are beginning to prioritize long-term reliability, manageable maintenance costs, and proven engineering over the flashiest features. Before buying any luxury car in 2026, it's critical to research ownership experiences beyond initial reviews. Look at long-term reliability data, study depreciation trends from previous model years, compare insurance rates, calculate maintenance costs over 5 years, not just monthly payments. Test drive extensively, not just for speed, but for comfort, visibility, and usability of technology. Luxury should feel effortless. It should simplify your life, not complicate it. It should provide confidence, not financial anxiety. If a car demands constant software updates, frequent service visits, and drains value faster than expected, it may not be worth the premium, no matter how beautiful it looks in a showroom. At the end of the day, the smartest luxury purchase isn't always the most expensive one. It's the one that balances performance, comfort, reliability, and long-term value. In 2026, buyers who focus only on image may end up disappointed, but those who focus on substance will drive away satisfied, not stressed. If you're planning to invest serious money into a luxury vehicle this year, make sure you're buying more than just a badge, because in today's market, the difference between impressive and overpriced is smaller than ever, and knowing that difference can save you thousands.